Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this for 50 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. You may have seen me on the news. Our team has about, 250 years of IRS experience. You can see my news clips and my team on my website at 777irs.com. And we go ahead and we can represent you, and we can do free consultation work with you. And I do these videos for 3 reasons, so you don't get ripped off. Number 1, you get insider information from IRS. Number 2, and I like to inform you and really tell you the truth. I have plenty of work here, so it's not that I'm looking for work, but I just enjoy doing YouTube and letting you know the truth. Today, I want to talk to you about secret IRS deductions. There's a lot of marketing and a lot of things going around. Well, we know this, we know that, and you're apt to do some clicking on and speak to some people that are out there about things that they think they can do. They found this new rule and this and that. Let me just tell you, as a former IRS agent and teaching instructor, having worked over 10,000 cases, there are no secret deductions, and when people start telling you that, move away from them. Let me just tell you why. The software now is so sophisticated that professionals. If you're going to a regular tax preparer, I don't want to put down H&R Block. I don't want to put down Liberty Tax. I'm not doing that. Or you're local, you walk in the door. If you're going into an enrolled agent, a CPA, or a tax attorney who may do your return, and some of the other people can. I'm not saying they don't. I'm not putting anybody down. But usually your high-end people have on their software every single possible deduction that's on there, and they are going to go ahead and they're going to let you know what every possible deduction are. Why? The creators of the software has combed the code, and they've all come up with every legal deduction that you can take that's on there. There's really no such thing as secret tax deductions that are out there. When somebody tells you that, and when someone starts telling you you can take this credit and that credit and start putting stuff down, you better run from that person, because you are responsible for that tax return you sign. If you go into a small preparer and all of a sudden you have an extra child showing up on your return, or you're taking credits that you don't know about, you better scan that tax return of yours, because you're going to get hit for inaccuracy, and your preparer may wind up at some point going in jail if they do a number of those returns. So let me tell you, as a former IRS agent, there is no such thing as secret tax deductions. As soon as you see that, like I said, run. You don't want to have your tax return subject to an IRS audit where they can come in and look at the last 3 years. I'm giving you this as a free tip. Be careful. I get so many calls on this phone right here that people got set up because of secret deductions that are out there. Anyway, if this video was good, if you'd give me a subscription, that's big, because YouTube loves us to have subscriptions. It moves us up. I have a bunch of subscriptions, about 4,800 people. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. If you want me to do a video on something, leave a comment. I'm happy to look at it. Thank you.